Can you charge your Tesla at a supercharger without the app? Yes, Tesla has rolled out a pay at charger feature, allowing you to charge using a credit card or the charger's touchscreen. This eliminates the need for app authentication, making it easier and more accessible. This feature was piloted in 2023 and is now widely available at Supercharger locations globally as of 2025. To pay with a card, simply plug in your Tesla at a supported supercharger. On the charger's screen, select the Pay Now option. Choose the credit card payment method, then tap your NFC-enabled card, Visa, MasterCard, or American Express on the designated area, or manually enter your card details on the touchscreen. Sessions are billed in real time or upon unplugging, with fees matching app-based rates. If you prefer not to tap a card, you can enter payment information directly on the Supercharger's touchscreen. This method uses the charger's built-in interface for secure token-based authentication. First, select Pay Now on the charger screen to begin the payment process. The screen will guide you through the steps. Then choose Credit Card as your payment method from the available options. You'll be prompted to enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing information directly on the touchscreen. Make sure to enter everything accurately to avoid any payment issues. No account creation is required for this payment method, though Tesla recommends having an account for additional features. The session syncs seamlessly with your vehicle's onboard software. App-free charging offers convenience for Tesla owners who prefer not to use mobile apps or have concerns about data privacy. This method simplifies the charging process for those new to Tesla vehicles, making electric vehicle charging more accessible to everyone. It eliminates app download issues that can occur in remote areas with poor internet connectivity, ensuring reliable charging access. While appless charging offers convenience, it comes with important limitations. You won't receive real-time notifications about your charging session, such as when charging is complete or if there are any issues. You also cannot schedule your charging sessions in advance, which is useful for taking advantage of off-peak rates or ensuring your vehicle is ready at a specific time. Additionally, appless charging doesn't integrate with Tesla's energy ecosystem, meaning you can't use supercharger credits or access other Tesla energy features that require app authentication. For non-Tesla vehicles using Tesla's Access program, you can also pay with a card directly on the Supercharger screen, demonstrating how this method enables interoperability across different electric vehicle brands. Tesla has implemented security measures to protect against fraud. The system uses token-based authentication, generating a one-time code for the charging session. However, be cautious when entering card details on the touchscreen and ensure no one is observing your input. Experts do caution about potential security risks with screen-based inputs and advocate for encrypted alternatives. The trend towards appless charging is growing. Tesla plans to integrate AI-driven session optimization by 2026, offering personalized suggestions on the charger screen. Expansion to digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay, as well as cryptocurrencies, is also possible via screen-based interactions. Industry experts predict appless charging could account for 40% of supercharger sessions by 2027, up from 20% in 2025. Tesla's move to enable appless payments represents a significant step toward making electric vehicle charging as accessible as traditional gas stations. By aligning with broader industry shifts toward inclusive charging infrastructure, this feature directly addresses user privacy concerns while making EV adoption more accessible to everyone. Currently, Tesla owners can initiate charging sessions directly at the Supercharger touchscreen using credit cards, either by tapping or manual entry, as demonstrated in these real examples. The future promises even greater convenience with AI-driven session optimization, integration of digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay, and expanded cross-brand access to make superchargers universally available. Ultimately, these ongoing improvements will make charging your Tesla as seamless as fueling a gas car, accelerating the transition to sustainable electric mobility for everyone.